a crazy time, guys, if y'all remember. This was a crazy time. Cactus flea pant strikes again. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today in my hand is the Cpfm Air Force Ones. And by now the black and white ones should have shock dropped on the sneakers app by now. But these fuchsia, these purple pink joints is fire. On the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So last week, the Cpfm on their website, they released this pair and the green pair. I went for both, but I wound up hitting on the fuchsia joints, and I hit on the black and the white days later. But this one right here, this got to be the #1 joints, man. And it don't feel like, it feels way heavier, and it doesn't feel like a regular Air Force One, guys. This sneaker here has some weight on it, and quality is A1. The only thing is, I really thought Supreme would be the first to do this with Supreme around it. But I guess Cactus Flea beat them to the punch, man. So you know we don't do too much long talking over here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So that looks familiar, right? I love that cactus plant. I like that Cpfm Nike logo, man. The wrinkle look. I really like that look. That's the box you're gonna get, guys. Black with the white right in there. You also get it there. And then you get the all-out logo here. Air Force One, Nike check, Nike logo, the Cpfm joint there. And you get it there too. So it reads Nike Air Force One Low SP, Fuchsia Dream, Fuchsia Dream. When you flip open the lid, you get a nice towel or bag. I don't know, it's towel material. It's definitely wash rag material. But it is also a bag. See the Nike in the inside, but it's stitched. You got that same Nike logo, Air Force Ones. Just do it. Yellow tab, chrome black tips. After that, you get the sky blue paper that's actually doubles as sky. It looks like sky. Blue Nike logo, Cpfm logo. So let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 of the Fuchsia Dreams, man. Now, y'all can't tell me this air right here reminds you of Supreme, man. That gives me Supreme vibes, man. Look. You see what I'm saying? But either way, you got the logo there. And it reflects, but for some reason, this one ain't giving me that reflects vibes. But it does reflect. But wait till you see the left pair. It gives me more of a reflect vibe than the right pair. But it's one color, guys. But the color's so bright, it looks like it's more colors. Like, you get your Fuchsia Dreams up here. And then down here is actually the same color. But it looks brighter and like more glowingly. And then you go to the shoelaces. Same color. But you can tell the difference on top of each other. But we'll get into all that. Let's start with the toe box. Air Force One. But I feel like this leather's more premium, guys. I feel like it's more premium. But butter soft, guys. You get your classic AF1 shoe, whatever you call this thing here. It comes on all the Air Force Ones, on the Drake joints. It had the certified lover boy joint and stuff. But yeah, regular AF1 there. We'll see if the other one says Cpfm on it. But the gloss down here on the bottom half of this sneaker is crazy to me, guys. I like the fuchsia because with the white on the bottom that you usually get on the uptowns, as we call them in New York, but the Air Force Ones, very hard to clean, man. It was very hard to clean. Even though Crep Protect got some great stuff, very hard to clean. the shoelaces. It's two different ones, guys. So the ones laced in is more of a light purple, light fuchsia, more on that pink side. But it also comes with a purple pair. As you can see here, the difference. And the lacing it comes in is dope, man. It looks like a sneakerhead already laced them up. I really like the lacing here. Now back to the letters. You can see the back tab of each letter is where you get that reflecting like a bike tire, like the light. You can see it in there. So it's like a 3D look, and that reads Air. Very dope. The back of the sneaker, you get the Nike Air logo that you get on every Air Force One with the division down there. Very dope. And the swoosh is in the inside. Well, the swoosh is on the outside too. But being that the A is so big and the I, you can't really see the swoosh, but it's there, guys. Here's the left shoe here. I thought it read Air Sun. But if you go all the way around in the 360, you got Sun. The S is there. And then you got Shine. Sunshine. All the way around. And I thought this glowed more because apparently it's way more letters. So you see the S, the U, the N. The swoosh is there. The other S, huge, reminded me of Supreme again. And then you got the Shine back here with the shoelace, with the Nike swoosh there. This one also just says AF1. I thought they would put the Cpfm on one side, but it just reads Air Force One 2. The bottom here, regular Uptown, Dunk, Nike, Jordan 1. That you get is in all fuchsia, guys. The whole sneaker is all fuchsia. Let's go to the inside. Oh, I haven't seen a shoe tree in so long. Right now, I got on my Jordan 3 cements and I pulled the shoe tree out. I was like, wow. But the inside is in that Cpfm logo. I'm trying to think what I brought, and it had this poster. But it's orange, red, black with that. I don't even know what you call that. That artist that did this one. So on the right is the same logo pattern, but it's just purple, bluish, orange, green, and then the other side was the other color. The sock line is also fuchsia, but guys, this is leather. I want y'all to look in here. Look in there. Y'all see that? It almost look like snake skin. That is leather, guys. I don't know about the comfort, because sometimes that could get a little stiff, but you gotta give it A1 for all this quality for $150, man. I didn't focus on the tongue because I was so happy with the shoelaces, but your tongue is also all fuchsia with a silk Nike Air Force One logo at the top. My bad, y'all. I was doing the Cactus Jack joint. Yes, sir. The Cpfm Air Force Ones Fuchsia Dreams. I knew this one and the green one was going to be more of like exclusive to the Cactus family, and then the black and white we was going to get, because if y'all remember last year, sneakers, Nike, they've been trying to Air Force One us to death. They let Drake get one. Travis Scott got one. Fat Joe got one. So I knew more was to come, especially with the weather breaking. But these can't be compared to none of those. Trust me, I was so sad when them Travis Scotts finally came in. This is not your regular Air Force One, guys. The colorway is loud, but the quality is, man, I showed y'all the snakeskin sock line inside. It does feel a little higher than your regular low up, like more of a mid situation. But this is a good sneaker. Again, $150. I won the raffle from Cpfm. And I can't even tell you what resale is right now. Because one minute it was like 800. Then I saw 500. Then it went back up to 700. The same with the black and white ones. But being that the black and white ones actually dropped on the sneakers app, those are definitely going to drop down. These, I'm not sure about it. When people get this in hand and see this quality, I think prices are going to rise. But give me a few minutes or a few hours, and I'll double check and I'll come back to y'all with that. But yeah, man, Cpfm don't miss. They haven't missed, man. Even those funny looking sneakers that I decided not to cop because I couldn't even figure my size, still was dope. They don't miss, man. But thanks for watching. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Hit that everything the shoe tubers say. I got the black and white review coming for these, and maybe the green ones. Everybody get rich.